Hello everyone, welcome to MK Graphics channel. Today I'll show you how to download free Adobe assets for commercial or personal use from Adobe Stock and how you find them and how you use them in your InDesign layout. So let's get started. First of all, in CC Libraries, we create a separate folder for free stock. For that, I'll go to InDesign, click on CC Libraries and create a separate folder for a free stock by clicking this plus sign. So let's give it a name MK Free Stock and create this folder. I'm logged in with my Creative Cloud account and I went to a stock.adobe.com. Here you can see free link. Click on this link and now you can access free stock assets, photos, vectors, videos, backgrounds, a lot of stuff. Now I need a confident person image for my project, which I search here. So you notice we are still in a free section. We can select here what kind of asset we want. We want vector, photos, vertical or horizontal format. What format we want, we can select over here. Once you choose an image for your project, you can license by clicking this blue button below. You can save and place that image in your InDesign project, but it's a 2-3 extra steps. The easiest way is click on this heart and it saves to your current library. It will add in your current CC library folder which we just created, MK Free Stock. Now back in InDesign, I'll check my CC library and it's here. Now we place this image. First of all, I delete this image by selecting this frame. And now I'll drag this image from CC library direct to picture frame and fit to frame proportionally. Here it is. But we do see a watermark because we add this image in our library, but we have not licensed it yet. So how can we license it? It's very simple. When you click on this image, you will see a shopping cart icon on the top right corner. Just click on this icon. It will start downloading a free image and now you have license to use this commercially. It takes some time for downloading and licensing. Now watermark is gone. What a quick cool feature that Adobe provides. If you like these tips, please like and share with other artists and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.